Hello everyone, I'm Angie and we are going to make Santa cupcakes today. As you can see, I also have this really cool shirt. It says slay all day, but really, let's be honest, it should be sleep all day. So this is a very simple recipe. We are going to make a chocolate chunk batter and then we're gonna top it with like a vanilla whipped cream. The reason why I use stabilized whipped cream over frosting and icing is, well, I hate frosting and icing. I hate the overly sweet and dense texture of frosting, and I hate the fake and waxy taste of icing. So click this video here and I will show you how to make stabilized whipped cream. All right, before we get started, we're gonna take 4 eggs out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature for about 30 minutes. Grab a big bowl and combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Mix this well. Then add in the eggs, buttermilk, warm water, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Using a hand whisk, combine the wet and dry ingredients. Then use a handheld mixer and whip this on medium until well combined. Unwrap and cut chocolate bar into chocolate chunks. Alright, let's fold in the chocolate chunks. Mix it all together with a spatula. Now grab a cupcake pan and line it with paper or foil liner. Fill it 2/3 full. You can eyeball it or use a cookie scoop if you're particular like me. A large scoop is roughly 3 tablespoons, which is perfect for us. Preheat the oven to 350 and we're going to bake this for about 20 minutes. This is how you check if the cakes are done. Grab a toothpick or a skewer, insert into the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, you're done. Wash and cut the strawberries just below the stem. Grab your piping bag and fill it up with stabilized whipped cream. It's time to decorate! Swirl your cream from the outer edge inwards. Then top it with strawberry. Don't forget this part. And that's it. These will last about 2 to 3 days in the fridge, and I will link the recipe in the description below, so let me know if you have any questions. Follow and subscribe if you want to be notified of future videos. Merry Christmas. See you guys next time.